Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret for how you can make doing your taxes super easily if you're a driver, whether you're a rideshare driver or a delivery driver, any type of gig worker. You definitely need to know this. By the way, this is not tax advice. You should still consult your own accounting advisor or anyone like that. I know we've talked about this on the channel a lot, but I just have to reiterate how amazing Solo is. If you don't know what Solo is, it's this great app for drivers, whether you do like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber, Lyft, like any of those types of delivery or rideshare apps. They will be able to help you with so many different things. There's pay guarantee, so you literally get guaranteed pay. They help you track your mileage, help you track your expenses, and what's super great is that they actually can help you file your taxes. So I'm gonna get into their whole tax filing system because this makes it way easier for drivers. I know that it can be kind of a pain being like a 1099 worker filing taxes because there's just a little bit more extra work you have to do rather than being like a W-2 worker. So let's just get into it. So basically, when it comes to filing your taxes as an independent contractor who does like a lot of driving, you want to try to get a lot of tax deductions. And the way you can do that is actually like through tracking your miles and tracking your expenses. Tracking your mileage, you can use every single mile to deduct some of your taxes, and you can use every expense that's like driving related or like work related. Since Solo allows you to track your income, track your expenses, and track your mileage, you'll already have all that information in the app, so you don't have to be like calculating everything or trying to keep track of everything. It'll help you stay organized and you don't have to do as much of the work. Also, what's great is that they'll give you tax projections. So that way when tax day comes around, you're not hit with a surprise of like how much you owe in taxes. You'll already kind of have an idea, and usually their projections are pretty accurate. So that way you can plan ahead, you know, set some money aside to pay those taxes when the day comes, so you're not hit with this big fee and you're like struggling wondering how you're going to pay for it. Solo actually recommends having the Solo app on in the background while you're doing any delivery driving or rideshare driving. That way it can automatically track your miles and match it up with your work time. Well, you might be wondering like what types of other expenses can you deduct? So this could be like bottled water or snacks or anything like for your customers, your cellular plan since you're using it all the time to do like whatever app you're using, your smartphone, subscriptions like Solo is actually a paid subscription, but you do get your first 14 days free. You could potentially use that as like a tax deduction, like car monitors, like a dash cam is really important to have, tolls, cleaning supplies, first aid kit, tire inflator, car seat covers, charging cables, like anything you would have in your car that helps you do rideshare or delivery driving. And any parking fees that you come across. Like, you know how it is when you're doing DoorDash and there's like, sometimes there's just nowhere to park and you gotta pay, or like, you know, it's just annoying. You can track that as an expense to see if you can use it as like a tax deduction. So having all of that in one app just makes it so easy to stay organized and really understand like what you need to do when it comes to filing your taxes. So I highly recommend signing up for Solo. Again, we have a link in our description and you get $10 for using that link. So be sure to check it out. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.